SainSmart Genmitsu 3020 Pro Max V2, our pick for the best runner-up CNC router in 2024. The SainSmart Genmitsu series is a big name in the affordable CNC market, and the 3020 Pro Max V2 stands out for good reason. While it's a bit more expensive, its solid construction and powerful spindle make it capable of working with metals, not just wood, foam, and plastic. This opens up a range of possibilities for your project. The solid aluminum worktop is a highlight, featuring various material holding points to keep everything secure during operation. Although it's not an enclosed machine, the side panels help contain shavings and debris, making cleanup easier. If you need to make full cuts, you'll need a separate worktop, but the existing setup is quite robust for most tasks. Expandability is another strong point of the 3020 Pro Max V2. The controller has connections for laser and compressed air accessories, and you can even double the machine's working surface to 300 by 405 by 78 millimeters with additional kits. This flexibility makes it a great investment for those looking to grow their capabilities over time. The GRBL firmware ensures compatibility with popular management software, and the offline controller offers practical direct control so you're not always tethered to a computer. Assembly is straightforward thanks to pre-organized wiring and pre-assembled pull chain, which save you time and effort. The optimized layout, with the power supply conveniently installed on the X-axis rear panel, maximizes workspace utilization. This model has solid construction, metalworking capabilities, and expandability. This makes it an excellent choice for those ready to take their CNC projects to the next level. Whether you're a hobbyist or a small business owner, this machine has the features and reliability you need. Highly recommended for quality and performance.